Stop scrolling for a second. What if I told you you are wasting hours in Canva doing things the slow way? In this video, I'll show you the shortcut keys that pro designers use but never talk about. Today, we are doing super simple Canva shortcut keys tutorial. I will walk you through the most useful keyboard shortcuts to edit faster, design cleaner, and finish your projects in a fraction of time. By the way, before you start, check the pinned comment and the description. I've added important links, bonus Canva resources that you don't want to miss. Alright, let's jump in. I'm Saif from Digiwhisper. The first shortcut, we need to know how to copy and paste with the keyboard shortcut. So here, to copy anything from your canvas, you just need to press Ctrl C for Windows or Command C for Mac. Here, CMD for Mac and Control for Window user. So let's see how it works. So this is a canvas and I want to copy anything. So as a window user, I want to copy, let's say, this thing. So select it and Ctrl C, and I am here pressing Ctrl V, and see, this has been copied and pasted to a new canvas. So the next thing is undo, redo. To undo anything, we just need to press Ctrl Z for undo and Ctrl Shift Z for redo. So let's say we want to undo this. So I am pressing Ctrl Z, it has been undone. And let's say I want to redo it again. So Ctrl Shift Z, and it has come in the previous position again. And let's talk about the next thing. We can select multiple elements just pressing Shift and then clicking something. Let's say I want to select multiple elements from this canvas. So I'm pressing Shift and selecting this one first, and selecting this one second, selecting this one, selecting this one, selecting this one, selecting this one, selecting this one. You can select multiple elements at a time. So the next one is to select all of the things from your canvas. You just need to click Ctrl A. It will select all of the elements in your canvas. So let's say I want to select all of the elements from this canvas. To do this, I need to press Ctrl A, and it will select all of the elements from this canvas. And the next one is duplicate element. If you want to duplicate anything, you just need to click Ctrl D. Let's say how it works. I want to duplicate this. I am first selecting it and Ctrl D. It has been duplicated. Now I am deleting it, pressing delete button from the keyboard. The next one is group elements. If I want to group all elements at a time, I just need to press Ctrl G. It will group all of the elements. I want to group these four text. So first press Shift and select one by one, and after selecting just press Ctrl G. So see, it has been grouped. So it is now acting like a single element. And now let's say I want to ungroup the element. I need to press Ctrl Shift G. If I want to press Ctrl Shift G, Ctrl Shift G, see, this is ungrouped. And the next one is send element back and send element forward. Sometimes we need to send elements backward and sometimes we need to send element forward. How we can do this? First, let's say I want to backward this element. I need to press Ctrl left square bracket. I'm pressing Ctrl left square bracket. So it has been gone to backward. Let's say I want to get forward this. I need to press Ctrl and right square bracket. So it has been forwarded. And now let's say I want to send elements back. This is the very front element and I want to get this in the last position. So how I can do this? Pressing only one keyboard. I just need to press Ctrl Alt left square bracket. So it is now in the last layer. See, it is in the last layer. If I want to get it in the very front, I just need to press Ctrl Alt left bracket. So just select your element and press Ctrl Alt left square bracket, and it is now in the very front. And now let's say how we can delete elements. So first select your element and just press delete. It will be deleted. And let's say I want to zoom in my canvas and I want to zoom out my canvas. To zoom in your canvas, you need to just press Ctrl and then plus button. So let's see how it works. Ctrl and plus button. It is zooming. And how we can zoom out our canvas? Again, Ctrl and now press minus. It is zooming out. Again, Ctrl plus zooming in and Ctrl minus zooming out. So now if I need to quick copy anything, I can just press Alt and drag. Let's say I want to copy this. Just press Alt and now drag it. It is copied. So now I want to copy one more. Again, Alt and drag. So it will be copy another version. And the next one is add a line. To add a line, you just need to press L. How we can add a rectangle? Just press R. So I am pressing R. It has been added a rectangle in my canvas. So how we can add a circle? Just press C from your keyboard. The next one is I need to add any text. So I can just press T. So just I am pressing T. and see, it has been added a text box in my canvas. I don't need to go here and pressing this. So now I can add my text. Let's say Saifullah Saif. Let's say I want to add another text. I just need to press just T. It will be added another text box. I can now add a text here. The next one is bold text. How we can bold text? Just select your text and now press Ctrl B. It is bolded. If you press again Ctrl B, it will be unbold. And the next one is italicized text. You just first need to select your text and then Ctrl I. So Ctrl I, it has been italicized. Again press Ctrl I, it will be normal. And the next one is underline. Press Ctrl U. I am just selecting my text first and Ctrl U. See, this has been underlined. Select it and again press Ctrl U. It will be de-underlined. Let's say we want to increase font size. How we can increase our font size from the keyboard? We just need to press Ctrl Shift and greater than. So let's say selecting my text and now Ctrl Shift and greater than. It has been increasing the font. If you want to decrease your font and then again select Ctrl Shift less than. Press Ctrl Shift and less than to minimize or to decrease your font size. And the next one is copy text style. I want to copy exact same style of my text. Same font, same size and same style. How we can do this? Just select the style you want to copy and then press Ctrl Alt C. I am pressing Ctrl Alt C and it has been copied my style. And now again select the second one you want to apply. Ctrl Alt V to paste the style. Ctrl Alt V. See, this has been applied the same style of my previous text. We can just do the same thing from this button as well. So this is how Canva shortcut works. It will save a lot of time. It will increase your productivity. Start applying now. If you want this presentation, you can comment on my video. I will share this slide with you so that you can get a copy of my slide. Thank you so much.